Hey, do it now. Yeah, hey, Keto fam, Keto Kelly just getting her done. Today is Monday, August 6th, I think. Yeah, Vlogust, day 6. So, yeah, I have some B-roll. I'm going to run what I did over the weekend. It was so freaking hot, you guys. I worked outside in my backyard all weekend. Me and my husband were doing some cleanup work and moving some stuff around back there. I did vlog some of it. I just didn't post it, so I'm going to combine 4, 5, and 6 all together. And today I am going to do the cabbage that I did the other day with the chili oil. So I took the pepper flakes, some oil, and some sriracha instead, and I blended it with my immersion blender and pulled it out a little bit, pulled it up to, mix it up some more, and someone in my eye. Good times. It's fantastic. Chili oil in the eye. It's fun. Anywho, so this time I'm going to do it without any shrimp. I'm just going to do the cabbage, an ounce of sliced onion, and a half a cup of this Szechuan mix that I have. So while I'm throwing all this together, I'll go ahead and run what I did this weekend. What I ate this weekend. I'm going to do a small clip of me trying to move some stuff around in the yard. Anyway, okay guys, run the B-roll.
I'm like, hey, what's up? To my track, we be coming up. We just here to go, taking back to land. And I got the money, I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up? To my track, we be coming up. We just here to go, taking back to land. And I got the money, I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up? To my track, we be coming up. We just here to go, taking back to land. And I got the money, I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up? To my track, we be coming up. We just here to go, taking back to land. And I got the money, I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up? To my track, I'm like, hey, what's up? To my track, we be coming up. We just here to go, taking back to land. And I got the money, I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up? To my track.
Okay, cabbage is cooking down. So what y'all think of my weekend? It was hot as hell up there. It's been one of the hottest like weeks we've had in a long time. Anywho. Alright, so the cabbage is cooking down. I'm also going to pair it with these very thick pork chops. This is 2 pork chops back to back here. And all I've done is added some of my liquid smoke, like I do my ribs, and some McCormick's seasoning, like rib seasoning or rub seasonings. And I'm going to let them set for a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and let this cook down a little bit more. It's fine to set. I can reheat it when I get ready to eat the pork chops. It is only 1 o'clock right now. I have not eaten anything, just black coffee all morning so far. And guys, Saturday we worked so hard in the yard that I was starving all day. And I don't know if it had anything to do with sweating. I don't know. I sweat a lot on Saturday. And I was hungry all day. And I ate all day long. It's crazy. So I don't know if the actual act of like busting my behind outside all day long made me hungry, but I ate, and it showed the next day. I was up to 186 pounds the next day. It was insane. So yeah, I'm back to an O.M.A.D for a little while. And it proves that when I eat like that all day long, I put on weight. Now again, that could be water weight that I had, and more than likely it's, I know it's not fat weight. It's water weight from sweating and swelling up real bad, and all weekend. And again, this morning I was 185, so I haven't dropped anything. And it very well may be from all the heat. I don't know, but over the next week, I'm going to do my best to rid myself of this inflammation. I've had to take my rings off again because my fingers are swollen up. I dropped a piece of wood on the top bridge part of my foot the other day, so my foot is swollen and bruised. It was a rough week. It was hot. It was hot. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this, cooking this down. I did add about 3 tablespoons of that chili oil that found its way into my eye. Yay. And I've also pulled out another bottle of water out of the freezer. I'm letting that thaw out. And I drank a lot of water this weekend too. Probably 3 gallons over the entire weekend. So I don't know. I'm up. That's all I know is I'm up. I'll come back in later. I also want to send out my condolences to Keto Diamond and her grandson's mom's passing. I was heartbroken watching your video. You can't help but put yourself in the place of that mother who is grieving, and it was heart-wrenching to put yourself in the place of that grieving mom at this point. So guys, okay, I'll come back in a little bit later, go blaze the heat again today to do these. I'm gonna grill these pork chops, and it's gonna be toasty out there right now. So, alright guys, hang on. Okay y'all, the grill is making a weird humming noise. I hope it doesn't blow up, so if it blows up, we'll catch it on film. Anywho. Alright, so I don't know how good the lighting is right here, but let me turn you this way. There we go. Alright, there's the grill. I have, already with the flies, the 4 pork chops right here. I have some G. Hughes Hickory Original, some of the seasoning I used on this, and just a squirt of sriracha in the barbecue sauce. Oh, hummingbird, yay. So, I got the grill all heated. Let me get these in here for these damn flies have a field day. Oh, I hate flies. So, let's get these going. You bastards, get out of here. Get. Oh, I freaking hate flies, you guys. So, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over the top of my barbecue sauce so the bastards don't get on there. And I got my little brush, so I'm going to brush it on. Let me put that under there too. Oh, you know what? Screw it. Alright. I'll show you. Can y'all hear that humming noise? Let's hope this thing don't blow up on me. Alright everybody, at this point here, I know the pork chops are probably not quite done, but I've got a nice little sear on both sides. I'm going to set them on the top rack up here. I've got one of my burners on low, even though it's still flaring up. That's the horrible thing about this grill, particularly, is that the flare-ups are terrible. So if you ever buy one of these grills, just know, what the hell is this grill anyway? It's a Kenmore. The flare-ups are ridiculous on these grills. So I'm going to go ahead and set these up on this top rack here. I'm going to leave this burner over here on low. And I'm going to go ahead and leave them in there for about probably 15 minutes. Alright, we are back inside. I am going to use a regular plate because I'm going to need to use a knife. And I'm not trying to use a knife on a paper plate. Never ends well. Alright, so here are the pork chops. I left them under in that top section of the grill for about 10 minutes. Let them sit. If you let them set, they'll get nice and juicy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and brush this one again with some more barbecue. Or that barbecue mix that I have. I'll show it to you after I brush it again. Alright, got the cabbage heating back up. Yummy guys, yum yum. Alright, let's turn that off. Get a small portion of this to eat with my chop. I can use these, I guess. This might be my only meal today, so maybe I better slather it on good. Yay! Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and throw some green onion on the top of that cabbage. This is what I'm going to eat. I may or may not mukbang this one. We'll see. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Oh, I want to say, I know at the end of every one of my videos, I always say like and subscribe. But I really appreciate you guys turning in. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And the little notification bell will let you know every time I upload a video. Alright guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.